Hey guys, Collecting Dev. I had a few pickups from the card store this weekend. Just wanted to see what they had there. Most of their prices were pretty high comparably, but that's to be expected. So I picked up a 2020 update. Just like update. I'd rather it be Chrome update, but I still like update. 2020 Tops and 2019 Top Soccer. Just for fun. I've had actually pretty good success with soccer, so let's I'll start with 2019. I don't know too many of the soccer guys, but I have a decent idea. Alright. Then focus, Sebastian, I'm gonna butcher all these names. Vasquez. This is number 225. That's cool. If that'll focus. 25. Luciano Acosta Luciano, Young Guns. Shit, sorry, that's off camera. Put that right there. Alex Ring. Oh, there's another Acosta. Vaco. No idea. David Guzman. That's cool. 1 to 25 at least. Keep going to 2019. Alright, Rainier, I think's his name. Ellis. Sloy. Jeff. Oh, that's number 299 actually. Wow, it's 2 numbered cards and just, I think this is base tops for soccer. So I feel like that's pretty good. Burke, Willis, and Fernandez. So we got 1 to 25 and 1 to 99. Oh, sorry. Let's go back. The last pack. So I got 3 packs of 2019 and I got 3 packs of 2020. This is the last 2019 pack. Hansen, Erickson, McCarty, Miguel, Wolfride, I guess that's his name, Chris Durkin, Daniel Royer, Derek Jones. So nothing, I think none of these were numbered, huh? Alright, so we got at least 1 number to 25, that's kind of cool. So we'll do 2020. Casper, I think that's his name. Kendall. Aaron Long, Thomas Chacon, FC Dallas, New York Red Bulls. So yeah, this is just, from what I understand it, this is just MLS. So there's probably not going to be nothing crazy yet. Maybe like Emir Hibrovic could be in here. I don't know. I know MLS is not as desired. Kaku, decent, I think. Seattle Sounders, Hansen, Lavarez, and last 2020 soccer. Castellanos, Chara, Santos. There's a blue Darlington Nagabe, if I'm saying that right. Number 1099. Oh, wow. Holy, maybe, I don't know if you're guaranteed that or what. Here's a Reggie Canyon. Oh my gosh. Reggie Canyon orange. That's all the number 25. So I got 2 blues and 2 oranges and 6 packs. Cole Bassett, Josie, Altador. It's good. Yeah, I don't know if that's normal. per box. Oh, I butchered this box. So we got a few hobby exclusives. I think these are maybe these are the one exclusive patch. It's very interesting. Okay, anyways, yes, maybe these are all the hits. I'm not sure. Put them there, and then big ass, huge jumbo packs. But I like the flagship stuff. Tops, like paper top, paper Roman. It's affordable and you can get some cool stuff, especially some of the variations. And I don't know, I don't mind it. You get a ton of cards too, so if you want to collect a set, it's pretty easy. Oh, that's a good sign to start off with. Mr. Mike Trout. I'm just gonna go through these. Oh, another Mike Trout. I think when I opened the blaster, I think I had the same thing where I got like 4, or at least 3, maybe 4 different Trouts, different variations. It's a rookie of Schwindel, Thames, Judge, Ripken, oh, Bandy, Kyle Wright. Set that was aside just for myself. The rookie, Chapman, Holland, Rizzo, Gavin Lux, rookie. Jason Castro. I'm gonna say this like 5 times probably, but 98. This could be a short print. I don't know. No, it's not. And I'm gonna say that every time whenever I see a weird photo. Pujols, Hahnemann rookie. Where's my rookies? Right there. Kershaw. Oh, Joe Kelly. Hilarious. Javi Baez. Montgomery. Ripken. Here's the first hit. Oof. Lorenzo Cain. I'm sure everybody's #1 choice. Oh God, these kids are yelling outside. Lorenzo Cain. Okay, I'll just put the hits, I guess, right there. There's a foil Cespedes. And I'm getting all my stuff confused. Let me fix this real quick. Rookie. Personal kind of hits. Okay. Foil Cespedes, Andre Dawson, insert. Newhouser, and Joey Bart. Okay. Put those right there. Alright, another jumbo. And these packs are humongous. Look at that. That's a fat pack. Alright. Tino Martinez. That's didn't know he was in this. Mickey, Giancarlo, Trent Grissom rookie, McKay, David McKay, not Brendan McKay. Castillo, Tomlin, Buck Farmer, Jose Suarez, Chris Sale, Jump on 6, Kipnis, Verlander, Harper, Kenley Jansen, Zach Green rookie, Griffey Jr., Fuentes, Scherzer, upside down, Nick Turley, Cuthbert, Spear, Verdugo, Davis, Miller, Buttrey, Hamilton, another Pujols. Just let me double check. This was in a weird spot. Yep, nothing. There's a foil Boston, Bob Gibson, Miggy, face. Maybe I'll pull out those. Oh my gosh, I'll pull out those Trouts later. They're probably worth saving. All right, I think I got 7 packs to go, plus those Topps exclusive packs. I'm going to speed this up. This is taking forever. Renfro, Walsh. Rookie. Mariano. Wolfswick, Wheeler. Kershaw. Rookie. Andy Burns, rookie. Ken Griffey, Dyson, Verlander, Pena. Another Mike Trout. Strop. Albert Pujols. Oh, it's short printed to 2020. Okay, that's cool. So that's a short print Pujols. That's kind of cool. Foil of Kinzer. There's an insert of Trout. I guess I'll start pulling Trouts out. Warren Spahn. Forrest Whitley. Warren Spahn. Warren Spahn. I think it's Warren Spahn. Man. Oh, never mind. Taylor Ward. Fake Mike Trout. Let's go through this really fast. Rookie. That's Brendan McKay. Don't care, don't care. Probably just looking for Lou Bobs and Kyle Lewis. But I have to look for them. Oh, not Francisco Mejia, but a different Mejia. Like King. Oh, wait, here's a. Well, that's kind of cool. It's a Derek Jeter patch. One of those fake patches. Nice commemorative fake patch of Derek Jeter. It's still pretty cool because it's Jeter. But yeah, it's just fake patch. Foil of Battery Bath. What? Clemente, Jeter, Kristen Pache. Let's move some of these over there. Bob's your uncle. Alright. So I think that's the 2 hits. We should have an auto in here somewhere next, and that's about it. Let's go for Acuna. Rookie. Tsugo. ODP. Sean Murphy, rookie. Jesus Lizard. Oh, Kyle Lewis, rookie. Those are always good to have. It's Rookie of the Year. Johnny Davis. Robinson Cano. Mustakas. Devin Williams. He had a good rookie year. Encarnacion. Foil of Cordero. Luis Garcia. Alright. Man, this is taking forever. Sorry, such a long video. I should have knew Jumbo was going to take forever. Teheran. Wait. Who is Teheran? To be honest with you, I did not know that he moved teams. Thought he was still in the Braves. Keno. Get his auto on every. I think I have every one of his rookie cards. Aquino just pops up everywhere. Howard, Cabrera, Jeter, Ichiro, Lindor, Griffey, Hernandez, Shower Time, Verlander, Kershaw, Cordero, another Encarnacion, Joe Panic, rookie, It's a rookie. Sean Poppin. Boba, that's a good one. It's a pretty good rookie. Oh, there's the last one. That's cool. I think this is a hit. It's a Giancarlo to 50. Okay, so it's just a base All-Star Game variation, I guess. To 50 All-Star Game. It's nice. That one's probably worth sleeving up really quick. I'll sleeve all these quote-unquote hits up. But yeah, I think I actually have from last year, from 2019, I have something out to be graded right now. I think it's an All-Star variation similar to this. I can't remember who it is. There's a chance it might be Giancarlo. Foil. There's a Tatis. It's probably worth saving. Sixto Sanchez. So, a couple short prints in here, which is kind of cool. Oh, Mr. Rosarina. It's probably worth sleeving up too. Ian Miller. A lot of rookies in this one. Deal. Man, they're all over the place. Oh, Big Mac. That's a weird one. Carlone, but his team is a just MLB. Okay. Man, these are all over the place for some reason. Every one. Oh, there's Jordan. Man, I have so much Jordan. I hope he comes back fucking slinging it because I have tons of his stuff and I think he's got tons of potential too. Pete Alonso. Kimbrel. Haggerty. Iglesias. Villar. Rendon. Oh, here's another short print of Josh Taylor. Not certain who that is, but another short print. Chrome of Barlow. There's a Juan Soto. Rodriguez. Tyler Stevenson. Alright, so we're down to 3 packs left, plus the black ones. Tino Martinez. Trent Grisham rookie. I knew that was a rookie. I've got like 100 of his rookies as well. Taylor Ward. Alonso. Chris Bryant. Oh, another Mike Trout. I swear I've got to have every variation of Trout. Let me just put it here. I'll go through these and pull out Trout again, but man, I've got so many Trout. There's a rookie. Guess I'll turn these over. Nick Solak. Got tons of Solak. I just have so much stuff from these from 2019 and 2020. If any of those guys come close to Mr. Mike Trout, then I'll be Nico Horner. Tons of his stuff. I'll be sitting gold. That's the foil of Jalen Beeks. Gavin Lux rookie. Tons of his stuff. Dahlbeck. Alright, 2 to go. Oh man, this is going to be a 25-minute video. Rookie Dixon, rookie of Brendan McKay again. I have to just go through these so fast now. I feel like I'm taking so much such a long time. Zach Green, Glaber, Mookie. Cortez, rookie. Turley, rookie. I can't believe I haven't found a Robert yet. Everything I open, I get Roberts, and I've got 14 Robert rookies that I've just pulled. And I don't really open a ton of stuff, so just pull those. Oh, there's the rookie right, or the auto right here. Oof, not a good one. Sean Mania. Oof. Let's see, auto. Not a good one. Foil of Philip Dial. Oh, here's a David Price, Stan Musial, Clark Schmidt. Alright, last regular pack. There's another card got full. Let's keep going. Almost done. Dial again. Big Mac. Miha. Is that King? Another Jordan. A couple Jordans. A couple Rosarinas. Altuve. Alonso. I am surprised. Robin Roberts. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is backwards. Pictures Robin. Maybe this is some short printed insert of the foil. Willie Stargell. Frank Robinson. Cabron Hayes. Okay. So that's that. So nothing too crazy. It is update. I didn't expect nothing crazy in here. Hobby exclusive. Open these 3 black packs up. Oh, these are just yeah. Pulled an auto in 2019. Daza. Burke. Tommy Edelman. And Steven Strasburg. Put these with the rookies. Put that right there. I get 2, I guess, for being jumbo. There's a blue, at least. Genesis Cabrera. Reese Hoskins. George Springer. Oh, and a Dale Murphy blue. And that's number 150. There it is. I'll put the blue there, put that there, Hoskins, okay. And then this last one, just like a real thin card. It's like a piece of paper in here. Oh, maybe that's normal. I guess so. Okay, I guess maybe they're supposed to be like that. Rafael Devers. It's a piece of paper, or like a, yeah, I don't know what you call it. A patch? Like a literal patch? But yeah, that's it. Cool. Thanks for watching. Peace.